Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this hot water heater and I'm going to explain how this is going to work. This is perfect for like an RV or something, so you can have it. This is the instructions here and here, so it's going to be really straightforward and super easy to use. All the pieces and parts it came with are right here, so you can see everything here. This is it. So you have a water tap here, so you could tap into your water line or whatever you need to. You just connect up the cold. So if you have, if you're setting up your RV and you have just cold water like coming to the sink, instead you plug, go into here, and then this one here will go out hot. So you can have hot and cold. So then you can have that. You can use this as a splitter here, so you can go, into your. So before you go in, you'll have it go from cold to, cold to the splitter. You can put this on here if you want, like that. So you can have it go cold. Is this going to fit onto this one? Yeah. So you can have it go cold from your cold water into here, and then this will go back out to cold, so you can have your cold water faucet. And then now, magical presto, you can have a hot water faucet as well. So then this one here will go out to your hot water. So it comes with the hoses and everything you need. So now you can have hot and cold water instead of just having cold water in a little camper or something like that. And this is going to hold a few gallons of water. And then you have a little pressure release valve if you need this as well, so you can put this on there. And here's a little overflow valve thingy, the tube for it. So really it comes with everything you need, and so you'll be able to set up a little hot water heater system super easy. It comes with a bracket here. I'm not sure, these are like concrete ones here, so I'm not sure what concrete you would be hooking it up to in a camper, but maybe this would be good for other things like under a sink or something like that as well. And then we have this here, which is the clip to hook it up. So once we get it, on the wall of our RV, we can screw this into the wall, and then this will just hang on to it from there. So it'll keep it from floating around and swinging around as you drive. And then if you ever need to take it out for service or to just get the stuff, you can do that as well. So how cool was that? So you've got everything you pretty much need here. And this is the setting up front here. I'm not going to plug it in. It says not to plug it in until you actually have it filled with water. So don't have it in the RV yet, but when it does, it's all ready to go. So how cool is that? And it comes with everything you need, and you're all set. So totally cool on the hot water heater. Pick up one of these for sure. If you have a camper or something like that, or if you need to replace a hot water heater, this will just go right in its place. But if you want to get some instant hot water, this is the way to go. Thumbs up.